All right, let's figure out our last date for today for the week. All right, so what month are we in now? We are still in August. And what year is it? 2020. All right, to figure out the date tag, I bet without saying the pattern, you could look at this, the last three here, and figure out what comes next. Let's see if you can do it. Square, triangle, triangle. What do you think comes after the second triangle? If you can't remember, look at the two triangles and then what shape comes after that. If you said circle, nice job. All right, I'm going to bring a circle over and we are going to add our number. So first, let's figure out what that number should be. Yesterday had a 27 on the date tag. What number comes after 27? 28, right. And I heard 20, so I know what number has to come first. A 2, yes. All right, so let me get my box in place. I'm going to add 2 and then an 8, 28. And then let me straighten this out. All right, let's say our date. Today's date is August 28th, 2020. Now it's time to write it. So I am going to start with an uppercase letter since it's the name of the month. Capital A, U, G, U, S, T. What do I need after I write the month? A finger space. And then I'm going to go to the date tag and I'm going to look and see what number it is if I'm writing today's date. It's a 28, so I have to write that next. And then I need my what? Comma. Then I need another what here? Finger space. And then I'm going to write the year, which is 2020. All right. Today's date is, let's say it together, August 28th, 2020. All right. So now I want to figure out the day of the week. I'm going to find today's date tag and I'm going to go straight up. What is today's day of the week, think? It's Friday. Some people call it Friday. All right, we're going to start with a capital F because it's the name of the day of the week. Friday. So now we know today is Friday, August 28th, 2020. So I said today was Friday. If I go back one, what was yesterday, think? Yesterday was Thursday, right? All right, if I go back to today and then I go forward one, what's tomorrow, think? Tomorrow's Saturday. Oh, it's almost time for the weekend. Let's sing our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Very nice. How many days of the week are there? I hope you said 7. Let's sing our months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. And how many months of the year are there? Right, there are 12. And what number is August? It's the 8th month. Let's count to 100. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Halfway there. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We made it. All right. Remind me, if I say 20, like 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, what number does that number start with? Yes, it's a 2. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. They all start with the number, right, the number 2. How many days were we in school yesterday? 29. Oh, we just talked about the 20s, right? 20s always start with the number 2. And here we are, 29. Okay, so here's my extra linking cube. If I add it, do I add it to one of the towers of 10 or to the extras? I'm going to add it to the extras. All right, now let's count the extras and see how many we have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, I have 10 extras. That means I have another tower of 10. So let's see how many towers of 10 we have now. We have 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. So now I need to change this 2 to a 3. Well, yeah. And then do I have any extras over here anymore? No, I just have 3 towers of 10, but I don't have any extras. So what number goes here? You said 0. Wow, good job. So how many days are we in school now? 30. Let's just count all these linking cubes and verify. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's right.